Always experimenting with finding easier methods to achieve better results, and this is just one of my new methods that I've come up with. Well, probably not the only one that does it now, but so what I've done here is I've put purple tape, which is just easy peel tape, put a mark on there where I want to cut. This purple tape guards against buffing from the jigsaw. Uses a 17 tooth aluminum bimetal jigsaw blade. Then I can just cut it. You don't force it, and you'll make sure that's long enough. So that cuts it this easy, rather than manually doing it with a drop saw, which can be a little bit dangerous at times. So that's quite user friendly for training someone to cut blades. So now I just peel that off. And then I'll just cut this here. Now, as you see, that bit there is not straight. Normally I'd use one of these. I've also been experimenting in other ways to kind of make that a little bit easier and quicker. There's nothing wrong with this, and this is probably when you want like precision, you want to use that. But if you're not worrying about heat, because if you're doing black bars, heat will make the paint come off. Then with these aluminum bars, no colour, you can use this. It's a flat disc, zirconium flat disc. Now it would have taken me 5 minutes by hand, also adjusting that, or even more so if I am trying to adjust that for over there, it could be 5-10 minutes just to cut one bar, depending if I'm lucky or not. This here saves me buying dinners for me. And that's now one of my new methods for cutting bars.